Seriously, what if I told you that you could create stunning banners, posters, and infographics not in hours, but in mere minutes? Imagine what that would you do for your projects, your business, your sanity. Today we are diving deep into a game changer that's making designers and marketers around the world do a double take. Hey everyone, welcome to AI Tools Care. You know that feeling, right? Staring at a blank canvas, the deadline looming, and that little voice in your head going, where do I even start? Well, if you are anything like me, you have probably spent countless hours wrestling with design software trying to get that perfect look for your banners, posters, and infographics. It's tough, but here is the thing. The world of visual design is changing, and it's all thanks to something incredible. AI intelligence. Today, we are not just talking about minor tweaks, we are talking about a revolution in how we create. We are going to explore the 7 best AI design tools that are literally transforming workflows, saving time and making professional grade visuals accessible to everyone. Whether you are a marketing pro, a small business owner, or just someone who wants to make their social media pop, these tools are going to blow your mind. Trust me, you are not going to want to miss this. Let's jump in. Ever feel like your social media visuals are stuck in a time warp? What if you could make them stand out effortlessly? Most small businesses waste precious hours every week trying to churn out engaging content, leaving them feeling overwhelmed and behind. But imagine generating eye-catching designs in literally minutes, not hours. Think about cutting your design time by 80%, constantly grabbing attention, and always having fresh visuals ready to go. That's pretty neat, right? Canvas really changed the game for quick, accessible design. But what if you are part of a bigger brand, or you are managing multiple clients and maintaining that consistent look is absolutely critical? Well, that's where our next tool steps up to the plate. It's all about making sure your brand always looks perfectly polished no matter what. Is your brand message getting lost in inconsistent visuals? You know, when every piece of content looks just a little bit off. Marketers often struggle to keep brand elements cohesive across every single platform, leading to a fractured brand identity. But what if there was a way to automatically apply your brand's exact colors, fonts, and logos to every design every single time? Picture your team producing hundreds of flawless on-brand graphics, slashing design time by over 40%, and presenting a perfectly unified message. Pretty impressive how Adobe Express just keeps everything on point, isn't it? Especially if you are already in the Adobe ecosystem. But what if you are part of a dynamic team juggling complex projects and you need everyone to be on the same page in real time? Forget endless back and forth emails. Our next tool is all about seamless collaboration and making teamwork a breeze. Team projects feeling more like a tangled mess than a smooth workflow. Ever tried to collaborate on a design only to end up with conflicting versions and wasted time? Design teams constantly face hurdles like repetitive tasks and communication breakdowns, slowing everything down. But what if AI could automate those mundane tasks, letting your team effortlessly co-create and iterate in real time? Imagine slashing iteration cycles, eliminating confusion, and getting everyone perfectly aligned on design goals. See Figma's collaborative power, especially with those AI plugins, is just a dream for teams. But maybe you are a solo entrepreneur or a small business and you don't just need banners, you need logos, videos, graphics for everything. You are probably tired of jumping between a dozen different platforms. Well, get ready for a true all-in-one solution that covers all your bases. Are you an entrepreneur constantly bouncing between tools just to create basic marketing assets, wasting hours trying to piece together a logo, a video, and a banner? Many solo creators feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of visuals needed for a launch. But what if you could generate all your branding, videos, and graphics from one simple text prompt in a single day? Envision creating dozens of banner options in minutes, launching new ventures faster, and looking incredibly professional from day one. How amazing is that? Designs.ai is like having an entire creative agency at your fingertips. But what if you are not just looking for good enough designs? What if you want something truly unique, something artistic, something that stops people in their tracks, something that doesn't look like everyone else's? Our next tool is all about pushing those creative boundaries. Tired of generic stock photos that make your visuals blend in with everyone else's? Do your banners lack that wow factor, that unique artistic touch? Many creators struggle to find truly captivating imagery that reflects their unique vision, leading to uninspired campaigns. But what if you could conjure up stunning, often surreal visuals from simple text descriptions, transforming your ideas into captivating art? Picture creating incredible, distinct, eye-grabbing imagery, making your campaigns unforgettable and truly standing out. Mind-blowing, right? Midjourney truly is in a league of its own when it comes to pure artistic generation. But even the most beautiful AI-generated image can still be enhanced, tweaked, or perfected. Sometimes you have got existing photos that just need that extra something to really shine in your designs. That's where our next tool comes in, focusing purely on making your image absolutely flawless. Got amazing photos, but they just don't pop enough for your designs, spending endless time manually adjusting lighting, skies, and details. Photographers and designers often find themselves bogged down in tedious photo editing, delaying their projects. But what if AI could instantly enhance your images, dramatically improve lighting, or even replace skies with a single click? Imagine transforming hundreds of photos in a fraction of the time, making every visual asset look professionally polished and vibrant. So Luminar Neo is essentially a magic wand for your photos, making sure every image you use is absolutely perfect. But what if your goal isn't just pretty pictures, but powerful, data-driven communication? What if you need to turn complex numbers and stats into easy-to-understand, engaging infographics or presentations? Our final tool is a game changer for anyone dealing with data. Struggling to make complex data actually interesting? Are your reports and presentations putting people to sleep with endless texts and boring charts? Many professionals find it nearly impossible to transform raw data into engaging, visually compelling stories. But what if an AI assistant could help you structure content, suggest relevant visuals, and present data clearly and beautifully? Envision turning complicated statistics into stunning, digestible infographics, boosting comprehension and impressing your audience every time. And there you have it, folks. 7 incredible AI design tools that are seriously changing the game for banners, posters, and infographics. We've talked about everything from quick social media graphics with Canva AI to maintaining strictly brand consistency with Adobe Express. We have seen how Figma AI transforms team collaboration and how Designs AI gives entrepreneurs an all-in-one creative hub. For pure artistic flair, Midjourney is simply unmatched, and Luminar Neo is your secret weapon for perfecting every single image. Finally, for all you data wizards out there, WizMe makes complex information not just understandable but genuinely engaging. The truth is, whether you are a seasoned designer or just starting out, these tools are here to amplify your creativity and boost your productivity like never before. Don't let competition pass you by. You have got the power to create professional-grade visuals in a fraction of time, and honestly, that's priceless. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, experiment, and start creating something amazing today. We have put together a super detailed ebook that breaks down each tool even further with tips, tricks, and strategies to maximize your results. You can find the link in the description below. Go grab it, it's totally free. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you in the next one. Happy designing!